welcome back to a new video. I'm going to do a bit of a gel polish set and a bit of stamping and a bit of alcohol inks today. I'm going to put, apart from that one, 2 coats of Aimeili's white, which is 011. I show you the first one on camera and then I will do the second coat off camera to speed it up a little bit. I've tried to keep this in as much real time as I can. It is only sped up a tiny bit. So as you can see, it's fairly quick set. They will go in the lamp for 30 seconds to cure. Okay, the ring finger is going to have 2 coats of black on, that's 007. Okay, right, we're going to put some no wipe top coat on this one, and then I've pulled out a glitter from Nail Sugar, which is called Deep Space. A nice black holographic glitter. Just going to sprinkle that over and then that will go in the lamp for 30 seconds. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's so pretty. And then these are going to get matte top coated because we want to put some alcohol ink on these 4. I'm going to pop those in the lamp for 30 seconds. Okay, right, this alcohol ink I've made myself, just from isopropyl alcohol and the inside of a permanent marker. So we are gonna just put some random dots all across all of the nails, and I've got some isopropyl alcohol in my little tortoise there. And all I'm going to do, there's no right or wrong way of doing this, so you know, some people will do it as it is now, but I like to keep adding little bits on and then dispersing them with the isopropyl alcohol because I think it just makes it look better. So I'm just going to leave you to watch this bit. Whilst you are watching this bit, I'd just like to say thank you so much to everybody that is liking, sharing and doing watch time. It does mean a lot, and I'd just like to say thank you to you all. So, but if we can keep it up, I'm hoping by Christmas I can reach my goal of 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours, so fingers crossed. I am hoping that'll be a nice Christmas present. It will. Right, I've pulled out some silver leaf from the glitter fairy, and I've just broken some up in that little triangular tray. And what we're going to do is pop a layer of base coat on each of these, and I'm just going to put randomly some small tiny pieces of silver leaf on there, and then each one will go into the lamp for 30 seconds. I don't want a tremendous amount on there, it's just I mean, you can put as much as you want on or as little, but I just didn't want to overdo it. Plus I've not got a tremendous amount of this, so the bag was quite small. It was. I just love using leaf because it just breaks up into random pieces, so none of it's formal and not one is the same as the other. We're going to do a layer of top coat, and then what I'm going to do off camera is I'm just going to give them a buff over, and then I actually top coat them again, and then I give them another quick buff so they're nice and smooth. So I've pulled out a plate which is from Beauty Big Bang, and it's XL068, and I've got my Nicole Diary black out. We're gonna just use the I think that one's the rose side from what I can see. Yeah, I think that one's the rose side that I use. Yes, it is. I can see it there. I'm going to use this on 2 of the nails, and then on the other 2 I'm going to use the other side of the stamp, which is more like just like a leaf. It's almost like a vine. You'll see anyway when I put it on. I have actually already done, I think, the pinky, and because I wanted to try it out before I recorded it to make sure putting black on it was okay. But it did come out really nice actually. I quite like this set. I'd be happy to wear them. And then all that's left to do after this is just to top coat them again. Obviously I gave it a couple of minutes in between just to make sure that stamping polish is dry. I will let you watch the rest of it, and thank you so much everybody for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. I know some people forget sometimes, but it does mean a lot if you do that. And yeah, I will see you in my next one. So I hope you like them. I'm going to start and do some autumn sets now. I didn't want to do them too quickly because people get fed up of them, don't they? You know, it's like by the end of summer you get fed up of doing summer ones. So yeah, we'll start doing some autumn sets. I will do some others in between as well, so they won't all be autumn ones. And I will leave you to watch the rest. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.